Okay, so we've only got a couple things left. So first of all, what we're going to do actually is we're going to take the title digital and we're going to move it. And I want you to, actually let's close the notes panel right here. And I want you to click on circuit board layer, hold down the shift key and click on digital. That way you've got both the clipping mask and the text digital picked together. Pick the move tool, which is the letter V. And now we can drag these two together up. And what I'm going to do, I want you to just place it where you think you would have it. And I'm going to say, yeah, it's probably around there. I don't want it to be right up here over the top or even exactly on the top. I want there to be a little bit of space. Now, if you hold down the shift key while you're doing it, it will stay in the middle. And that's actually kind of important. All right, well, I kind of like it along there, right along this line there. I think that works very nicely. Okay, next, what we're going to do is we are going to put the volume up in the top right corner, over top of a rounded triangle. So, go over here to the rounded triangle tool, which is the letter U for the shortcut. And we're going to draw a rectangle in the space above the letter L. And so we're going to click down and I'm going to put it maybe around there. That's good. Okay. And then what I want you to do is I want you to type 67 pixels for the width. That's over here in the properties, right here. You're going to type 67 and then take a look at how it changes. Oh, hey, look, it moves across. Awesome. Okay, now we're going to change the color. It's going to be the pastel yellow orange. Now, we're going to notice that there's two color sections right here. Click on the left one and then go down to pastel and pick the third one in and click that. All right, that works nicely. And then you can get out of that by hitting return or clicking outside of it. All right, and we're going to play around with these, with this shape a little bit. I want you to notice, first of all, you may have this linked together or not linked together. If it is linked together and you change a size, you'll see how it changes all together like that. Command Z to undo things. If I unlink it together and I change the width, it doesn't keep the same ratio. That's fine. Undo. So I'm going to keep that. All right. So that's how you can change your shape, but you can also change the round corners. So I want you to play with these. You hover over top. You'll notice this is the top left corner of the rectangle and top right over here, etc. Hover over top of the top left, and I want you to move that around. You can see exactly what it does. See that? All right. And if you link it together, then you'll see that it turns it all together into that. There's 0. Hey, what do you know? It's a rectangle. All right. Unlink them together and you can warp and twist them all. Awesome. Okay, so what are our settings actually going to be? I'd like you to make sure that the link is turned off. So this is turned off, so they're not linked together. And I want you to make the bottom left corner 16. So let's make that 16, and all of the others, I want you to make them 0, please. All right, 0, 0. Awesome. Okay, now what we're going to do is select the Move tool. That's the letter V. And whoop, you see what I did there? See, because I was in this thing right here, I hadn't hit return, it was turning the letter V. Okay, so I'm going to hit escape, and that brings back the 16 that I had in there. And I'm going to click outside of it, so I'm not in this text area, and hit the letter V. And now I have the Move tool. Okay, I do that a lot. All right. So now I'm hovering over top of this guy and I'm moving it so it is aligned with the guide and the top. If I turn off my transform controls, show you exactly what it's going to look like. And we are ready to add vertical text. On to the next video.